So in this video, we're going to be talking about Aurora in 2020, why I believe Aurora in 2020 will be a pretty big year. This is my opinion. We'll see if this actually happens. Maybe I'm wrong, and maybe Aurora will suffer, and the stock price will decline further, and we will see Aurora under $1 in the future. I don't think that's gonna be the scenario. I think Aurora is doing very well right now. Yes, the stock is heavily diluted, and they are secretly diluting shareholders. But at the moment, because of what happened on, I guess, Tuesday, what happened on Tuesday, the stock rallied. I think moving forward, I think Aurora stock is going to move up much higher. That is my opinion. But we'll see if that actually happens. But I think 2020 is going to be a big year for Aurora. So starting off with Drift. Aurora says that the Drift obviously is a edible brand line for Aurora, but I think that there's more news with Drift coming for Aurora in the near future. And they launched this, and they said that they'll be ready to announce some kind of news very soon here. So this would be a good start off to the new year if Aurora announced some big news with their hemp line. Maybe a pure speculation at the moment. Don't know what this Drift means, but they say they're going to be announcing more news regarding Drift very soon, according to the Twitter logo. So that could be a catalyst in the near term for Aurora. Second catalyst that might happen in 2020, sometime in 2020, and Aurora has been indicating from their shareholder meetings, from the quarterly earnings report, they have mentioned Nelson Peltz multiple times, that they are working with Nelson Peltz for strategic advisor Nelson Peltz to establish themselves as a leader in the United States. Will that happen in 2020? These contracts take time. Nothing is instant. It could take years before these complicated contracts that Aurora is working with for Nelson Peltz and the U.S. strategy. It could take a long time in order for these contracts to mature. Hopefully, sometime in 2020, Nelson Peltz and Aurora announce some kind of big news with their acquisitions or their partnerships. Hopefully, they did pay Nelson Peltz about 20 million shares, which he is not allowed to exercise unless the stock price goes back to 31 to 41 Canadian dollar. With Aurora stock being so diluted now, this would be a lot harder to achieve. But hopefully Aurora has stopped. I don't think Aurora is going to stop with the delusion. I think it's going to continue. But again, that's my opinion. We'll see if that actually happens. Third big catalyst would be more stores in Ontario. So Ontario has scrapped the retail lotto system for a more open system, and they expect to have a lot more stores open by the end of 2020. So, this will really help Aurora sell product, increase revenue, and establish themselves as a major player. Third is Whistler Benediction facility construction completion. So now Aurora has access to about 5,600 kgs of premium organic certified MJ per year. And then on top of that, they are doing the Whistler expect to introduce new lines of organic certified hashishi and live rosins MJ extract soon, and I have saw it. So This was launched on December 30th, 2019. So this will be included in Aurora's earnings report before the year end. Hopefully Aurora's earnings is good and the company is still continuing to grow. But yes, live rosin, Whistler, by Whistler Co. I don't want to use the word C word because I could get demonetized, but they're selling it for $149.99. I saw this was on December 30th. Right now, it's already limited quantities, and I predict that in the next couple of days, this will sell out very, very fast. Maybe even by tonight, this will be sold out and won't be on the BC website. So Aurora, from my research, they are selling edible products very, very well right now. They are basically moving a lot of inventory, and that's a good sign because that will reflect positively on the earnings report. And these extracts are higher margin. Dry bud is high margin, but extracts are much, much higher margins. And for $149 already selling out. I really want to try this, and I believe that there's also another way for Aurora to make money off these live rosins. I believe that when these get launched all over Canada, I believe that more of the accessories that used to be able to inhale this will be selling. It will be selling very well. So Aurora is going to be making extra revenues from selling the accessories for people to have the ability to use this product. 4 grams per unit. So that's not too bad, but that's still very, very expensive. If we take our calculator, 150 divided by 4 would be about $37.50 per gram. That is extremely high margins. I think Aurora would probably cost about $3 or $5 to make 1 gram of live rosins, and they are selling it for $37.50 per gram. Let's say the government takes $10. They will still be selling this at around $25 of pure gross margin for each of this product they sell, so per gram. So Aurora is going to make a lot of money off this and is already selling out, and most of the edible products on the BC store all selling out. So they are doing very, very well right now in the edible space, in the MJ 2.0 space. So that's a really good sign, and Aurora still haven't launched in the major cities yet. Quebec, Ontario, and Alberta, they make up 70% of Canada's population. So that's very, very good sign. And then third, another good sign is so down here the Hemco Nisku facility. Hemco state-of-the-art 56,000 square foot processing facility, which is capable of processing 2.9 kilograms per year hemp, is nearing completion. The facility located in Nisku, Alberta, recently commissioned its new dehulling and equipment. Upon completion in the first calendar quarter of 2020, the new equipment will be able to be capable of 450 kilograms per hour of hemp hearts. That is a lot of hemp hearts per hour, and Aurora will be generating more revenue from their Hemco facility. And because this is a new facility, hopefully the margins are better than what Hemco was originally doing at. So, what Hemco was producing at. So, hopefully that's the scenario. I don't know if that's the scenario. That may not be a possibility, but hopefully. And then there is also a rumor going on with Aurora and CocaCola. This still might be a possibility. I know Coke came out and completely denied it, but again, it still might happen. Just because they deny it doesn't mean that it cannot happen. No, there might be a chance Aurora and Coke might be talking together. Who knows? And there might be a deal that might come out in the near future. That's pure speculation at the moment. But if this was to pan through with Nelson Peltz, then I believe Aurora stock could make brand new all-time highs in 2020. Because Aurora still haven't announced any MJ drinks yet, no CBD drinks, so there's still a possibility Aurora could announce some kind of MJ drink with Coke in the near future. Who knows? We will see what happens, but I believe Coke is interested in the CBD space, but again, this is pure speculation. So anyways, I'm gonna kill off the rest of the time with this video. Oh, I don't even need to kill off the time. Wow, it's actually been over 11 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.